So the entertainment sector is slowly opening up, and so are the regular weekly dances. Last week we hit up the two popular Wednesday night hotspots. Tonight it's all about Sundays at Telstra.
Special Sundays is back with a special vibes. Birthday girl, what on?
I'm there.
Let them know why you decide to celebrate your birthday right here at Special Sunday.
Cause a special Sunday have the vibes.
Intense crew now. Saturday. You know the whole TVJ crew there. I like DJ for the wings of steel. You know Special Sunday, the quarantine style. Ready again. If your man dead, kick him with a crap.
Special Sunday is so nice. You need to come there. Yes, it's loud, it's turn up.
Yes, baby.
Full time myself all the time.
Yes, go for the video.
Now the vibes mad in a bro, Lord. May I tell you, every Sunday I yesterday. How you bands up on your head top?
I say go from my band, straight from my band. I'm here 44 now, I'm still up.
Boy, the vibes turn up in Sanjay. We at it for 3 Sundays now, and it's like the people crying for more vibes, more music, you understand me? Because you know it's at the quarantine edition, a special Sunday, the outside edition.
What time to what time on a Sunday right now?
Well, let's say from 12 till 8. Still have to enforce and encourage the people them to keep social distance, you understand me, and wear the mask. Myself now wear none, you understand, because I won't blow off, you understand me.
The vibe's still up.
The vibes is still up, as you can see it, Sanjay.
See how wind up yourself, bro.
Yeah, nice, bad.
What's so special about Special Sunday?
A long time I enjoy myself, I just feel good.
Yeah, every Sunday, you know, so yes, I do it. Come out from early. $1
million.
Social distance partying, but no less special. Right here at Telstra every Sunday, Special Sundays.